Hi, I'm Sankalp, and in this video, we are going to create this infinite scrolling cards with fade overlays on both sides. When I hover on them, it stops scrolling. It is responsive on both tablet and mobile. So, let's start creating it. Let's take a container of full height. Now, add another container and set its padding. Add the class marquee parent to it. Then, add another container. Set the direction to row horizontal. Justify content to start, and set the wrap to no wrap. Add the class marquee track. Now, let's add containers that will be the cards. You can add anything to these card containers. For this tutorial, I'm adding the testimonial widget. I'm adding 3 cards. You can add as many as you want. Now, you need to copy this CSS code. You can find it in the description below this video. Add an HTML widget and paste the code that you copied. Publish it, and your scrolling cards are ready. To add the fade overlays, you need to add this CSS code. You can adjust the width of the cards by changing this width value, and the gap between them with this margin right property. To slow down the scrolling speed, increase this value. You can also customize the fade overlays by changing the properties. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.